welcome to our YouTube channel Talknetic, and we are here to describe about English sweeping. So, once tell them.
Yes, English sweeping. Have you ever seen those persons who always say to you that please don't sweeping the English? And why should we use English language? And why we need to use English language? And why we didn't use Gandhiji's theorem? So these questions we will discuss in this video. So I wanna ask a question to my sister. Chaitiri, please tell them about some English tips and those pupils who always say please don't sweeping the English.
Guys, I think many pupils around of you are I think told you that please don't sweeping the English. That's wrong. Please don't focus on those persons who are saying to you that. Okay, so guys, focus on your study. Okay, and improve yourself. Don't focus on those pupils who saying this. Those people don't know whatever they are saying. Okay, because they don't know how to speak English. That's why they want that you are
Yes,
not
that's
speaking.
why they use this. Please don't sweeping the English because they don't know how to use English language.
Yes.
She is correct.
Yeah, and you know what? English speaking is very important for everyone, right? Nowadays, many students are facing this problem, right?
Because many of things we purchase from the America, so we need English language for developing our country.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
at many places we need at this, right?
Yes, right. You always think that why should we use English language? No, guys, we need to use English language because many of things we are purchasing from the America. And when our country have been developed, I mean fully developed.
Suppose that
Then we needn't English language.
once suppose that a child, if he try to improve himself,
Yes.
but if any pupil who don't know how to speak English, who are against the English speaking and in favor of English sweeping, he always once I want to ask a question to you that once how can they save themselves from those persons who are in against the speaking? I mean, you can say also ki they are against the speaking English.
Okay. So, the answer is we can save ourselves from those people who always say that please don't sweeping the English.
Yeah.
Please focus about your on your target
Yes.
and just focus. Just think about your parents. They never say that please don't sweeping the English. And just think about our country. Just think for develop our country, for make our country development, we need English language. So please don't focus on those people who always say that don't
And
sweeping the
and
English.
you have to ignore those people. You don't focus on those wording. Okay, so only focus on your improvement.
and don't rushing the tenses.
Okay guys, and improve yourself and focus on your study. Okay, so once if you want to ask any questions.
Yes, so please give them some tips about improving English. And I wanna also tell you about Gandhiji's theorem. Gandhiji always said that please don't speak others' language.
Hmm.
Okay, I mean you can say foreign language. So, but they also say that please speak our native language. I mean our mother language. But I think that if we can't, if we don't listen, if we don't speak English language, then we can't make our country development. So we need English language. But when our country will be developed, so then we needn't any English language.
And I request to those pupils who are doing this, please
But
don't do
and
that.
don't, please, I request you, and don't forget our native language, because this is our mother language.
It is lost the confidence of that person, of every children, for every student. Please
And
don't do this.
and if you have a doubt, students, so go to the description and comment us. And so bye, have a great day to you.
Have a great day.
I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling.